Hi, I'm John Henry, the Changeover Wizard at Changeover.com with this month's Changeover tip from Frayne Industries. I spent a lot of time watching labeler changeovers. One-time sync I've noticed typically occurs after the changeover is complete, or at least after the mechanic thinks it's complete. They're all ready to go, and someone, often quality, maybe manufacturing, says, "Hey, wait a minute, that label is out of position. It's too high, or too low, or skewed, or off-center, or something else." So they lose time readjusting the label position. Worse, they may lose even more time discussing, sometimes vigorously, whether the label is really out of position. It's an argument the mechanic can never win. They still lose time trying, and in the end they readjust. An issue with label position is that some plants have no good specification where it goes. Even where the specification exists, there may be no good way of verifying compliance. At one of my clients, the maintenance manager got tired of this constant battle. He came up with a simple idea. So simple I had never seen it anywhere else. Actually, so simple that it made me feel bad for not having thought of it. The guy was a real genius. He was also a good machinist. He went to the shop, chucked a piece of plastic rod in the lathe and bored it out so that the labeled bottle would drop in. He then milled a window in the side so the label could be seen. This is what it looked like. Anyone can see at a glance whether the label is in position or not. No more disagreement. The mechanic knows when setting the labeler. If it's not correct, they adjust it. Everyone else can see that the label's in position, so no more discussion. The line restarts and everybody wins. This is an example of the Japanese concept called Poka-Yoke. Loosely translated, Poka-Yoke means mistake-proofing. It means designing a process or parts that it's impossible to do improperly. This book from Productivity Press is filled with great, simple examples of mistake-proofing. Whether you need a single machine or a complete line, Frayne will Poka-Yoke your next project. Just can't make mistakes with Frayne. Rent, buy, or lease, Frayne has what you need. More importantly, Frayne makes it work for you. Visit them online at www.fraynegroup.com. Better yet, visit their plant in Carroll Stream, Illinois, minutes from O'Hare Airport. Poka-Yoke. Make no mistake about it, Frayne is your one-stop source. I'm John Henry. I'll see you next month with another changeover tip. Thanks for watching.